On an easy and breezy fall afternoon, BJ and Baby Bop eagerly ventured out to the backyard, the air filled with the promise of adventure and merriment. Amidst the rustling leaves and gentle zephyrs, they embarked on their playful escapade. As they sauntered, their gaze was captivated by a burst of color nestled amongst the verdant foliage, vibrant parachute resting on the ground. Intrigued, they approached, only to discover their friends Lily and Rosie ensconced beneath its billowing canopy. It quickly became apparent that Lily and Rosie had sought sanctuary under the parachute, seeking solace from the capricious gusts of wind. Undeterred, BJ's imagination ignited, envisioning all the delightful activities they could undertake with the wind as their playful companion. Their exploration commenced with the parachute, engaging in a myriad of activities to discern the whims of the wind. They hoisted it up and down, marveling at how the air currents swirled around them, frolicked joyously beneath its resplendent expanse, and encircled each other, creating a whirlwind of laughter and jubilation. Before long, their friend Timmy joined the revelry, infusing the scene with his infectious enthusiasm for parachute games and discussions about the wonders of wind and the kaleidoscope of colors it brings. Eager to extend their adventure, BJ unveiled a collection of resplendent kites, each one a testament to the ethereal beauty of the sky and the wind's playful embrace. Timmy, Baby Bop, and Rosie eagerly joined in, their laughter resonating through the backyard as they soared their kites high into the azure firmament. Their spirits soared alongside their kites as they marveled at the breathtaking sight above, magnificent hot air balloon adorned in an array of vibrant hues of red, green, yellow, and blue, piloted by the ever-cheerful Barney himself. Greetings were exchanged between the terrestrial and the celestial, uniting friends in a moment of shared wonder. As the sun began its descent, Barney gently guided the hot air balloon to land in the backyard, bidding adieu to the colorful sky and joining his friends on solid ground. With a contented smile, he stowed away his balloon in his storage room, ready to continue the day's festivities with the rest of the merry band. And so, with hearts brimming with joy and memories to cherish, BJ, Baby Bop, Timmy, Lily, Rosie, and Barney continued their playful exploration of colors and wind, embracing the magic of friendship and the enchantment of the world around them.